France firefighters battles monsters wildfires near Bordeaux. More than 1,000 firefighters are battling a monstrous wildfires in the southern western France that has already destroyed nearly 7,000 hectares of forest, officials says. The raging blast near the city of Bordeaux has gutted a number of homes and forced 10,000 residents to flee. It's an orgo, it's a monster, wildfire representatives Gregory Orleans tells France RTL's radio. Strong winds and high temperatures are hampering the firefighters' operations. President Emmanuel Macron announced that Australia's Germany, Poland and Romania are coming to aid. Fans of battling the blast, European solutions at work, has tweeted. This summer, France and a number of other European countries have seen a wave of deadly wildfires tragedy by record temperatures and droughts across the continent. More than 10,000 deaths have been attributes of the health of Portugal and Spain. In the UK, as embers experience